What a beautiful afternoon. God, I love it here. There's nothing like this mountain air. Just clears your head completely. I've had this cabin for 10 years and I still love sitting out here. And you never know who you'll meet hiking on the trails. I've had some real adventures out here. Oh, and smell that air. The scent of rain before the storm. Nothing better. Probably a big storm too, from the look of it. Those clouds are getting pretty dark over there. Oh dear. Looks like we have a lone hiker on the trail. And quite a handsome one, too. He looks absolutely exhausted. Poor thing. And where's his backpack? His water bottle? He must not be experienced. This trail can humble even the strongest hiker. And without the proper gear, he's putting himself in danger. Plus, that thunderstorm is going to be here any minute. And he's at least 5 miles from the trailhead. He has no idea. Oh, I hate to disturb him. He looks deep in thought on his hike. But I'd feel terrible if something happened. Oh dear, he's such a stud. And exactly my type. Excuse me, young man. Over here. Hello, nice to meet you. I hope I'm not bothering you, but I've got some cold water if you're thirsty. And, not to worry you, sweetie, but there's a big thunderstorm coming fast. See those clouds? We've got 10 minutes tops before it's here. And you're miles away from getting back to your car. Dear, you're going to get drenched. And worse than that, the trails will be nothing but mud. You could slip and fall to your death. Not to mention the lightning. To be honest, I'm a little worried about you. Are you hiking all by your lonesome, dear? Well, I admire that. That's pretty adventurous of you. I'm glad you're challenging yourself with new experiences. Solo hiking always clears my mind, too. But you've gotten yourself in quite the predicament. You know what? Why don't you wait out the storm here? Take shelter with me in my cozy little cabin. You can rest a little and rehydrate. Come on, sweetie, let me mommy you and protect you. You don't even have a water bottle with you, do you? Or a rain jacket? That's what I thought. Well, I insist you come inside. You went hiking today to have an adventure, didn't you? Think of this as part of the adventure. Who knows what might happen inside my cozy cabin? It could be an experience you'll remember the rest of your life. Oh dear, did you hear that thunder? The storm is getting closer. Now, come on, let's get you safe. Follow me inside, and I'll get you some water. You must be so tired. You can just relax and catch your breath. I might have to catch my breath, too. Now that I'm getting a good look at you, you're even cuter than I realized. To be honest, it's quite the thrill sharing my cabin with an adorable young man like you. Sit down and take off those hiking boots. It might be a while until the storm passes. How do you like the couch? It's old, but very comfortable to lay on. Kind of like me. Here you go, dear. Here's a fresh glass of water. Drink up. Oh, thanks for noticing my decorations. I put a lot of care into keeping this place just right. This is my little getaway from the city. Quiet, private. I can do whatever I want up here. It's such a cozy little cabin. Fireplace works perfectly. Nothing like the crackle on a cold night. I like to sit in that chair with a drink before bed. It helps me unwind. Speaking of which, liquor cabinet's right there. Take your pick. Ice is in the kitchen. And if you're hungry, help yourself. Snacks, sweets, whatever hits the spot. Or if you have something specific you want to eat, just let me know. I want to be a good host and satisfy all your needs. Must be the mommy in me, but I know how to take care of all the needs of a handsome young man like you. Oh, and I almost forgot. The most important spot in the cabin. That bedroom has seen lots of pleasure. The kind that lingers on your skin the next morning. Probably the place my guests have enjoyed the most. Some memories in there still make me blush. I want you to feel good, loved, maybe a little spoiled. It's a wholesome cabin from the outside, but it can get a little wild, too, depending on the guest. And something tells me today might be one of those days. I'll show you the bedroom later. But first, let's get to know each other. Do you mind if I sit next to you? You're so handsome. I want to be as close to you as possible. There we go. Nice and snug next to you. This couch is even cozier with a little company. You know, I've been watching you since you stepped through that door, and you've got this energy about you. Like quiet strength. You don't need to say much. It's all in the way you carry yourself. You strike me as the kind of young man who handles more than people realize. Someone who's been through a few storms already and kept going, even when no one was cheering you on. Is that true, sweetie? You must have incredible stamina, too. That kind of toughness, it's rare. And very, very attractive. That's probably why you didn't give that thunderstorm much thought. You've endured much worse than that in your life, haven't you, dear? And that difficult mountain terrain? Most people wouldn't brave that alone. You probably had moments today where you thought about turning back, but you kept walking. Such a brave boy. I'm so proud of you, sweetie. I bet you don't hear that enough, do you? That you're strong, that you're good, that you're enough, just as you are. I bet most people only notice when you mess up, not when you're quietly holding it all together. Well, I see you. Such a sweet boy. There, darling. Let me pat your head. Such a good boy. You've got a loving heart. I can tell. You deserve to be happy and to feel good. Here, come a little closer. Your shoulders must be tense after that hike. Let me loosen you up. Yeah, just like I thought. All tight right here. I'll work on that for you and give you a nice shoulder massage. There we go. That's a good boy. Just relax. Just let go a little. You don't have to be strong for me. Not right now. You can just rest. You're safe and loved. Mommy will take care of you. You feel good under my hands. And the way you're letting yourself melt a little, that's so adorable. Just close your eyes, honey. Enjoy the feeling. So tell me, were you enjoying your hike so far? The woods out here really are something, aren't they? All that wild beauty, untouched, a little unpredictable. It ignites something inside you, doesn't it? There's a certain thrill in walking paths you've never taken before. Each step feels like a discovery. That's why I love it out here. So, do you like chasing the unknown and testing your limits? I thought so. You are such a remarkable boy. I can tell. You burn with desire too, don't you? Honestly, it makes me feel younger just talking to you. Like there's still something wild in me too, just waiting to be stirred back to life. You know, I used to be a bit of a wild thing myself. When I was your age, I lived for adventure. And I always told myself, one day I'm going to sit back in a warm chair, glass in hand, and smile at every wild, beautiful memory I made. Well, here I am. And you know what? I have no regrets. I don't want you to leave here with any regrets either. Let yourself be bold, reckless, free. And if I can give you a little piece of advice while you're here, do something unforgettable that you'll remember years from now. Would you like me to help you do that? Well, sweetie, I can definitely help with that. I do have some experience turning ordinary nights into something unforgettable. Oh dear, hear that? The rain is falling on the cabin. The thunderstorm is here. Aren't you glad you took shelter with me? I'll keep you safe, dear. You know, you're starting to look a little sleepy. My massage must have hit just the right spots. I just had an idea. A big thunderstorm like this, it could go on for hours. Why don't I show you the bedroom? Maybe you'd be more comfortable there. You can lay down and rest, just listening to the rain and thunder outside. Just close your eyes, Let your body sink into my soft, comfy bed. And if sleep doesn't come right away, well, we'll find other ways to pass the time. Something tells me you're about to make a memory you won't forget. But the real question is, are you ready? Because once you step into my bedroom, you won't leave the same young man. Come on, join me in my bedroom, sweetie. Take my hand, dear. This way.
Think you can handle the rest? See you there.